Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-display guys yung percentage ng Samsung device guys, no. So kung makita nyo guys yung ano ko guys, yung battery percentage ko guys ay wala siyang battery percentage guys. So yung gagawin natin guys ay lalagyan natin guys ng battery percentage guys. So para malagyan natin guys ng battery percentage guys ay magpunta lang tayo guys sa ating settings guys, no. So punta tayo sa ating settings. Yan. Tapos hanapin natin guys yung settings. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys, yan yung settings guys. So pagdating natin dito guys sa settings guys, ay hanapin lang natin dito guys yung notification guys. So dito sa notification na ito guys, ay dito natin makita guys yung battery percentage natin guys. Kung paano natin guys ma-enable yung battery percentage natin guys dito sa ating Samsung device guys. So click natin guys yung notifications. So click natin yan. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys ay hanapin lang natin ito guys, no. Ito guys yung status bar guys. So dito sa status bar na ito guys ay dito natin guys ma-enable or ma-display natin guys yung percentage ng ating battery guys. So click natin guys yung status bar. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, no, show battery percentage. So ngayon guys para ma-enable natin guys ay i-click lang natin to guys, no. Yan, so click lang natin yan. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, no, meron na siyang battery percentage guys. So 85% guys. Yan. So kung gusto niyo tanggalin, ganyan lang guys, no. Mawala guys yung battery percentage guys. So sa akin guys, gusto ko guys ilagay yung battery percentage guys para makita ko guys kung malapit na ba akong malubat. Yan. So ganyan lang guys, no, kung paano tayo maglagay ng battery percentage guys. So kung gusto niyo guys shortcut guys, so pwede naman nating i-shortcut guys, no. Back tayo. Yan. So makita natin dito guys. Ito guys yung tatlong dot na yan, yung may N na yan. I-click lang natin yan yung tatlong dot na yan. So ito guys ay shortcut guys, no. So click lang natin guys yung status bar guys. Yan. So dito guys pwede tayo makadirect guys. So shortcut ito siya guys, no. Yan. So ganun lang guys, no. Ganun lang kadali guys kung paano natin guys ma-enable guys yung battery percentage natin guys sa ating Samsung device guys. Okay? So maraming salamat sa panonood guys, no. And stay safe always guys and God bless.